Hello, Keyhole fans. You are watching Josh right now. Josh works at Keyhole and is demonstrating for us how to assemble a Keyhole FlatKey piano shell. Beginning with the legs, assemble them to the bottom of the piano using 2 wing screws each. Start them both before tightening. With some practice, you can spin both screws at once. Tighten snugly. Do this for each of the 3 legs. The legs are constructed of solid hardwood poplar. The components are joined together by mortise and tenon and glued. Once assembled, they're sanded and hand-painted to match. Touch-ups are easy since you can do them yourself with a paint roller. Once the legs are assembled, turn the piano upright and begin installing the braces. Notice the orientation. The T-nuts in the braces are facing the performer. One handy way to remember this is that you don't want to show the audience your nuts. Do not tighten the screws in this step. Instead, keep them loose enough that the bracket can move side to side some. The screws used to install the brackets are the same as the legs. The sides go on next. Line the front edge up and drop them down into place. They fit snugly. And then the top. Set it into place, ensuring that the top of the sides fit into the cutouts. Now we will install the brackets at the tops. Again, just as though we were doing the bottoms. When you are finished with that, all of them need to be tightened. Installation of the curve is the last step. Notice the stepped edge. This feature allows you to easily start and slide the curve along the track. Once to the end, the curve gets tucked behind the side and is slid as far into the pocket on the back side as possible. Once that side is complete, move to the other side and repeat a similar procedure. Notice using one hand on the inside of the piano shell makes it easy to manipulate the curved section. You may need to back the plastic curved section back toward the other end to give it room to slide into the back side. Now the keyboards can be installed. And with that, your FlatKey flat pack piano shell is complete. Well done, Josh.